Hello, welcome to Progress Immigration News Channel. My name is Faraz and today I will give you details about Saskatchewan Immigration Nomination Program SINP. It's under a PNP program category. The Saskatchewan is located in the western side of Canada, one of the very beautiful provinces of Canada between Alberta and Manitoba. It's a huge province. Area wise it is approximately 651,000 square kilometers, and 10% of this whole area consists of fresh waters and reservoirs. The biggest city in Saskatchewan is Saskatoon, followed by Regina, and they have also some cities like Prince Albert, Moose Jaw, Battleford, Melfort, Swift Current. I mean, they have some small cities apart from Saskatoon and Regina. The total population is approximately 1.1 million. Temperature wise, Saskatchewan is extreme temperatures. In summers, it's very hot. The highest temperature recorded in Saskatchewan is 45 degrees centigrade. And in winters, again, it is very cold province of Canada. It can go up to minus 40s in winter time. The main jobs in Saskatchewan are in agricultural side. They have a lot of jobs in agriculture because it's a huge province without any physical borders, and it's a green area, so a lot of agricultural jobs are available. Oil and gas is booming. They have a lot of jobs in oil and gas. Mining is also very good. Like they have jobs in mining, and in big cities like Saskatoon and Regina, you can find job in services sector as well. If you are interested to immigrate to this province, you need to have minimum 60 scores, 60 points to qualify for the immigration. So let's discuss about the points, how you can claim this 60 points. You can apply for Saskatchewan under three main categories. International skilled worker category, under Saskatchewan experience class. If you have previously worked in Saskatchewan, you can make the application. If you have any business idea or if you have any farm owner experience, you can apply for entrepreneur or a farm owner category as well. But in today's video, I will discuss about international skilled worker category without job offer. Let me tell you, Saskatchewan is the only province, one of the only province. There are some other provinces also, but at this point of time, Saskatchewan is the best PNP program that will accept your application and process your application without having a job offer from Saskatchewan. This is a point-based immigration system. You need to score at least 60 points to qualify and submit the application. So let me give you some details about the points. Regarding points, you can claim points under five main factors. Number one, your education. In the education sector, you can claim points for your master's degree. If you have, you can claim 23 points. If you have a bachelor's degree, you can claim 20 points. If you have diploma or trade certificate, you can claim 20 points also. If you have a bachelor's degree or a certificate which is more than 2 years after your high school, you can claim 15 points for your education. If you have education after high school but only 1 year education, you can claim 12 points for the education. For your experience, you can claim 15 points, and for your English language ability, the maximum point you can claim is 20 if you have 7 in each. In IELTS, you need to prove that you can speak English through IELTS exams. I mean, in Canada, you cannot prove your English just by saying that you can speak English. You need to pass the English exams also. So IELTS is one of the best way to prove that you can speak English. If you have 6 bands in IELTS, you can claim 18 points. For your age, you can claim points. If your age is between 22 to 34, you can claim 12 points. If you are between 35 to 45, you can claim 10 points. If you are from 45 to 50, you can claim 8 points. So this is very good that here you have more chances to claim points for your age if you compare it with the federal skill immigration visa. Now, apart from these points, you can also claim points for your connections to Saskatchewan. If you have relatives in Saskatchewan, you can claim 20 points. It's a huge number, like, you know. Now, in Saskatchewan, under this SINP program, even if you have cousins living in Canada, you can still claim points. Unlike FSW program, where only you can claim points if you have your brother, sister, uncle, auntie, direct blood relatives living there, you can claim points. But under Saskatchewan immigration, a second degree relative can also give you a 20 points. Now, if you have a master's degree and 10 years experience and your age is below 45, you can easily make 65 or more score, which is a good score for Saskatchewan immigration to submit the application. Once you submit the application, it's an online application. No documentary proof is required. We just need to do the due diligence before submitting the application. Number one, you need to have your IELTS score ready with you. Number two, your education, your degree needs to be evaluated by the credentials evaluation authorities in Canada, which I have already explained in detail in my previous video. So there are 4 assessment authorities: WES Canada, IQS, International Qualification Assessment, University of Toronto, York University. They can assess your education and they can give you the equivalency that whether this degree is acceptable in Canada or not. It's an easy process. We can help you with this one. Once you submit the application, online application to Government of Saskatchewan, normally every month they have the selection factors. They do select people from the pool. If your score is above 65, you have a very high chance to get the selection within couple of selections, 2 or 3 selections, you have a chance to be selected. Once you are selected, they will give you 60 days to provide the documents. They will ask you to provide your educational documents, your experience documents, passport copies, pictures, police clearance certificates, medical certificate. There is a list of documents. Apart from these documents, you need to provide some forms, IMM immigration forms. 4 or 5 different forms are there. You need to fill up those forms and submit the application to Government of Saskatchewan. Once they receive all these documents, it will go into the processing of your PNP, provincial nomination. It will take approximately 3 months, 4 months, depending on the number of applications they are processing. Maximum 6 months it can take. You will receive a nomination by the province to submit the application under CIC. Once the province will select your application and process your application, they will give you a selection certificate. Once you have the selection certificate, you can process your application for the landing papers with the CIC, Citizenship and Immigration Canada, which will verify all the details and issue you with the landing papers. Once you have the landing papers, you can land in Canada within 12 months. It is recommended to land in the province of Saskatchewan. However, you can land in any other province also, but because there is a agreement that you will be living in the province and you have showed your interest while submitting the application that you wanted to live in this province, it is recommended to land in this province. Once you land, you can apply for the PR permanent residence, valid for 5 years. You need to stay there at least 2 years to continue your PR, or 3 years to apply for the passport. There is no restrictions. You can easily move to other provinces after landing over there, but your main residence should be in the Saskatchewan, and it is recommended also to live in Saskatchewan. However, family members or your kids can study in the other provinces, but the main applicant should live in Saskatchewan under this program if you have been nominated. If you have any questions, anything, you can write to us. We will be more than happy to give you more details about this program. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please write to us so that we know, whether you are whether you want more information or any specific information you are looking for. You can just write to us and we will be trying to answer your questions accordingly. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.